Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper origami dog. Yes, do you want a pet? Well, you can make one with paper. Yes, it's going to be so much fun, guys. So, let's begin making. So guys, now that my dad has made it, look at these doggies. Look at them, they're so cute. Yes, look at them, so cute. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Both of you are good boys. So, Mr. Doggy, you have something to say to you. We're interviewing you. I need to say something to you. I need to say something to you as well. Let's say it. Yeah, let's say it. Please subscribe to our channel and like that button. Like that button, okay? That's what they say, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is what they say. Oh, like that button and ring the bell, ring, ring, ring. And yeah. Bye. Bye. Bye.